Micah Shemaiah and the Dreadites band will take us to the break. Yes!
Big up all of myself. Yeah! King David killed Goliath with that stone, the original dread. I say King David killed Goliath with that stone, the original dread. Original dreadlocks, iron shot. From when? We fighting for survival in the bloody system. Come on! Originally African, the plan for the Rasta man. Where we been now? Originally singing songs of truths and rights in John land. Can't pay we fi sell out. Original the road less trouble, yes we know. Say spiritually, yes. The physical temptation we now make take over we. Oh no. Original dreadlocks, iron shot. From when? We fighting for survival in the bloody system. The papa calling our Rakazania. Oh papa calling our Rakazania now. Rakazania now. Dealing at the dread. Papa calling our Rakazania. Oh papa calling our Rakazania now. Rakazania now. Dealing at the dread. Originally rude boy and styling. And I never kill nobody, nothing like these days. Oh yeah. Originally changed down to Arbor Stone. Originally music make the people gather round. Just love sounding at the lawn. Original vibes out for phone. How's the dread? Now you know you should do the original. Original dreadlocks, iron shot. From when? We fighting for survival in the bloody system. Papa calling our Rakazania. Oh papa calling our Rakazania now. Rakazania now. Dealing at the dread. Papa calling our Rakazania. Oh papa calling our Rakazania now. Rakazania now. Dealing at the dreadlocks. Dealing at the dreadlocks. 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 Dealing at the dreadlocks. Dealing at the dreadlocks. Dealing at the dreadlocks. Dreadlocks. Dealing at the dreadlocks. Dealing at the dreadlocks. Originally, watch it. Originally, you know this how do the TVJ. Dreadlocks, dealing at the dreadlocks, dealing at the dreadlock, dreadlocks, dealing at the dreadlocks. Dealing at the dreadlocks. Dealing at the dreadlock.
Performance this morning. Listen, long time in a see you. Dreadites, great. great performance, very harmonious. What's going on with you? I want to get straight to the information that the people need to understand, how to book you, how to find you, how to continue hearing you. Let's get to it. Thank you.
It's Micah Shemaiah.
Yes.
Instagram, Facebook, everything out there. The music is on iTunes, YouTube. This is my band. We've been traveling together now for 2 years. And
Yes.
yeah, we're trying to bring the roots, the real, original, authentic roots.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. This is my latest project.
Roots Eye Vision. Yes.
Made with evidence music from Switzerland, actually.
Zion Trod, Boom Shakalak,
It's
Zion.
deep roots.
Death Trap.
So if you like, message music, yeah, it's your thing.
So people still play vinyl?
Of course.
It's coming back
yeah,
big time.
There's a massive resurgence.
Yeah, exactly. So CD now make again.
CD I make, but it's kind of soft.
It's true that CD now make. So get the vinyl.
Yeah,
all right, so we can look you up, we can book you. Tell us, you want to introduce the band members real quick?
Yes, of course. This is Ika Wilmot, obviously Billy Wilmot's son.
Of course.
And also Aine Wilmot, and that's Matthias the Dread, 150 years old, still going.
Still going.
And Giant.
Giant.
Yes.
Giant, sound good for the drums. All out, sound good.
And that's Fire Keys, Andrew.
Keys,
You don't know.
Good to see you all. I've seen you all in different places, and it's nice to see
and
the
big
group.
up Kimisha where she is, the mass management. We have to
Yes.
shout out. Yeah, man.
It's so important.
Yes.
How you feel about the rest of your musical colleagues right now? Where are we going with the music? Are we going back to the roots, or are we going away from it as a group?
Well, I mean, since 2013, we had a resurgence of music in Jamaica, which they now label the reggae revival, But with I&I, and people like Chronics and Kabaka Pyramid, and there's a consciousness that is growing, But personally, I would like to see more definition of what we are dealing with, because sometimes people kind of sway two ways, and you can't live in the good and live in the bad at the same time, So,
make a decision.
Yeah, we need to find a generation where we're moving in one direction.
Yes.
And I think we're going there. So
how long have you been singing, Michael? You see, I keep running with your microphone because it's a Wednesday, right?
Wow.
And I'm a band bomber, right?
And I know you can sing.
No, me don't want to be singing on my next live. But you see how I take the microphone every minute that way, yeah? You ready, boss? Give me your keys. Give me something.
Anything.
How long you singing?
Professionally, I would say 10 years.
Yeah.
But I've been singing from I was like 13, in school, Yeah, man.
Let's pay tribute to the elders who inspired. I love the way my voice sounds for the mic.
Oh my God.
Tell me who inspires you.
First and foremost, is the teachings of His Imperial Majesty. The 12 tribes where I was born and
Yes,
raised.
you're 12 tribe, right?
Yeah,
yes.
People like Bob Marley, D. Brown, the Prophet God, my own father and mother, get a massive inspiration,
Yes.
People like Billy Mystic.
Yes.
Is also a part of INA history, So
You can surf?
yeah, man. One and a half year now.
I like.
Yeah.
You know how long I want to try?
Not a super surfer, amateur, but we'll start a thing.
All right, let me ask you now. Your favorite song in the world from your band?
I don't know what name, but we refuse to be what they wanted us to be. We are what we are. That's the way it's going to be.
Have you been to Ethiopia?
Yes, I've been to Kenya, also South Africa.
Me too. I tried mine.
Yeah, man.
I know my producer is here giving me the rap. I love the way I sound on the microphone. Ladies and gentlemen, the Smile Show. We'll be right back after this break.
Bam.